Need to find someone's social media just by using one photo? Then Sherlock AI face search will help you out. First thing first, make sure to install the application. Once installed, open it. Once you're in the home page of the application, click on Use Camera or Photo Library. Inside Gallery, select any of the photo of which you want to search the social media of. Once you have selected, it will be uploaded here. Now you need to position the face into this circle, pinch to zoom and drag to adjust. After that, click on Start Search. Now wait for the Sherlock AI to scan the picture. Once it has been scanned, it will land you on this page. Well, you will at least need 1 coin in order for you to see the result. You will need to purchase the premium version of Sherlock AI, and then only you will be able to view the result. From $8.99 you can see 3 face scans per week, and with $19.99 you can see 15 face scans per month. So once you're purchased, you will be able to view the result and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.